Hey, George here from the product marketing team at Loom, and I want to tell you why I love using Loom to give feedback. So probably like you, I was giving feedback in either one of two ways, either through text-based communication like Slack or email, and as a slow typer that wasn't super efficient, or through a meeting. And with people's busy calendars and as a remote team that works across the globe, it could always just be hard to find time, and that would sort of slow down our feedback cycles. So with Loom, what's great is you get the richness and expressiveness of video. You can hear my tone of voice. There's even, let's go to this example doc, draw tools, so you can highlight the things that you're giving feedback on. So if I want to say, let's switch this picture with this graph or something, you can just be very clear about what it is you're talking about, instead of having to write upper right hand corner, change this to that. So there's just all these things that just make feedback way more easy to give when giving it over video. I think one thing that I also love is that you can share your video in the places that you already work. So whether you're in a Figma file or Google Doc, when you share your video, it's just a link, so you can share it in a comment, in a Slack thread, wherever you're already working. So it doesn't you don't have to reinvent your feedback process around Loom. It works with whatever workflow you already have happening. The other thing is just sort of the collaboration bit. So this was a video that I sent to get feedback from a product manager on some of the email layout, and she can leave comments and reactions to some of the design right in context. So I can read or sort of see her thoughts on what I'm walking through, and she doesn't have to say on this file I like this. It's just all there, and it makes sense and super intuitive, and it just makes it much more fast. And so that's it. It's it's the speed of use, it's the video expressiveness, and the ability to collaborate asynchronously that I think has not only elevated the way that we give feedback at Loom, but also just the way that we work together. It's really helped us sort of bolster our teamwork and help us be a more effective and efficient team. If you have any suggestions for how you use Loom for feedback, we'd love to hear them. Let us know in the comments below. Bye.